Viewers, in this video I will show you how to unlock BitLocker in Windows 10 or 11 and decrypt your data using command mode. How to do this? Let's start. Go to your PC or laptop and click on search bar and search here power. Right click here and run as administrator. Maximize this window and zoom it for clear view. Now write here a command manage-bde space dash status and press enter button. Now you can see the status of your drive. Then you can see here that the drive is log status is unlocked. It can be unlocked. Now write another command below. Disable dash BitLocker space dash mount point space inverted commas. Type the name of drive and press colon and press enter button. Now you can see here BitLocker status on D drive. You can see here D drive that is encrypted in percentage is 40%. It will take time to remove encryption on D drive. Now write another command manage-bde space dash off space inverted commas and write the name between inverted commas and press colon. Now press enter button. This command shows that decryption is now in process. Now we can say that BitLocker is removed from your D drive but in process now. Now write a command again to check the percentage of encryption that is remaining on your D drive. Now you can see here 39% decryption is remaining. Wait until your encryption is removed. After some time we again check, it's just remaining 5%. Now again check, you can see here it's almost completed and 0% remaining. This is easy step you can follow to remove BitLocker from your D or E drive. Now go back BitLocker manage option and you can see the status of BitLocker that is applied on your D or E drive. Now you can see here there is no any BitLocker applied on your D drive. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.